If you spend a lot of time reading articles, blogs, or long web pages in Chrome, this feature can make things a lot cleaner and easier on the eyes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Chrome reading mode step by step, so you can strip away the clutter and focus on the actual content you want to read. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome opens, visit the website you want to read. This could be a news article, a blog post, a tutorial page, or any website where you want a cleaner reading experience. After the page loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of its extra tools and settings. When the menu opens, hover over More Tools. Don't click too quickly here, because hovering is what reveals the next set of options. After that, you should see Reading Mode in the submenu. Click on Reading Mode, and Chrome will switch the page into a simplified format that makes reading much easier. Depending on the page, you may notice cleaner text, fewer distractions, and a much more focused layout. This is especially useful if the original page has sidebars, ads, pop-ups, or other elements that make it harder to concentrate. If you want to go back to the normal view, you can simply close the Reading Mode panel, or return to the regular page layout using the browser controls. So that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, visit the website, click the three dots, hover over More Tools, and then click Reading Mode. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to read comfortably online. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.